Ke Airtel company kala pyntrei kami ka 5G network haki katto katne tylli ki dong jong ka Sor Shillong naduh ka khatsaw tarik Kyllalyngkot kaban pynstet ka jingrung jingmih jong ki Khubor internet khlem da siew tamye ka dor jongka ki dong ki balayo ya ka 5G ki long ka Nongrah Laitumkhrah Lapalang Mawpat Jaiaw laitdom Governor's House Riat Sohkhlur Laban Red Cross bat Lummawbah ye kiwei pat ki dong ka Sor Shillong kandang shimpor sa katto katne sngi laong ka Khubor ne Airtel network.
So today Airtel has launched the 5G services officially in Shillong city, and I take this opportunity to congratulate the entire team of Airtel for having done that. They are the first providers to have started the 5G services, and I hope that very soon they will be able to cover the rest of the state, and the people of Shillong and the people of Meghalaya will be able to enjoy high-speed 5G services. And as you are aware that the 5G services will enable us to provide citizen-centric services in a much better manner, and many other services like healthcare, agriculture, and other services will also be helped by the 5G services. So once again, I take this opportunity to thank and to congratulate Airtel on this great achievement of launching the 5G services here in Shillong and in Meghalaya. Thank you very much.